Hello guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope at the end you'll want to become friends and hit that subscribe button. So today I have a brand new box and I'm going to be putting pictures of what's in the box in this video so you guys can see as I'm doing a look for you. So Lurella Cosmetics is pretty much all makeup. And I'm super excited because we're going to be using this palette today okay, I can't talk. We're going to be using that palette today and as well as all of the other products in here. So if it's something that you want to see, I'm telling you, you might be canceling Boxycharm and Ipsy and moving on over to Lurella. So let's get into it. All right, we're gonna try out these products from Lurella Cosmetics. I'm super excited. We're gonna use pretty much everything that they give me. We're gonna start out with the eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow. And let's see what we can do with it. I'm super excited. Taking the blending brush that they gave me. That's pretty. It's a little sparkly. Now I have hooded eyes, so I have to do my shadow different. And mature lids. Y'all know how that is, right? Those bitches move. Ooh, I like that. It's like a nice little base right there. Okay, so this palette, I think it's super pretty. There's a lot of similar colors in here, but honestly, I don't mind. So we've got laid down the liquid eyeshadow, and now what I want to do is I want to go in with a blending brush, and we'll try the one that it came with, and we're going to go in with Flush. And we're going to put her kind of right here, transition area. I'm hoping the shadows blend well, the powder with the liquid shadow that dried down. It looks, so far it looks pretty good. My puppy's down here, so I'm like, yay. Do we want some plastic? Not bad. I really like that color. I have, what I want to do is I'm going to take this Jaclyn Hill brush. It is the GH40. And I'm going to put a little bit of setting spray on it because I'm going to map out kind of how I want my eye to look. And we're going to go in with Cherry, I think. Oh, that's just such a pretty color. Or should we do Optimism? Let's start with Optimism. I like that. Okay, so the next color we're going to go in with is Sweet Plum, using the same brush. I'm going to put it towards the outer portion of my eye. Bring it in slightly, but I'm going to stop right around here. I like. But yeah, these colors are super similar. I like to flick my shadow towards the eye as opposed to away from it. And if you guys have been with me for a while, you know why I do that. We don't want the eyeshadow to hang down and make our eyes look droopy. Although you can clean it up if that were to happen. Yeah, so I'm kind of surprised at how well these shadows are performing. I really am. We've got some pretty glitters in here. I think I'm going to try, definitely going to have to do a cut crease, I think. And we're going to go in with our Alamar Sticky Primer. And let me just grab a little brush right here. Okay. Okay, let me go ahead now that it is super sticky, and we're gonna put, which one? Let's try Japan first. What? Are you kidding me? Yeah, that's some pigment. And there was like no fallout. I mean, I'm saying that now and maybe it'll happen, but I'm like really shocked right now at how well this palette is performing. It's insane. Oh my goodness. I'm like, when something works, you're like, yes. Okay, we've got some darker shimmers. Let's try Geisha, I guess. I don't know. This is what it looks like out here. Ooh. Okay. I like you. I'm in shock. Can you guys tell? Like, really in shock. Really, really in shock. Okay, let me catch up with the other eye and I will be right back. Yes, I am extremely happy with this so far. Okay. I like it when things work. It's just amazing. I'm going to take this Urban Decay brush right here and I'm going to dip it into another, put some setting spray on it, another shimmer. This one is called Hannah. And we're going to put that right here. Oh, that's pretty too. I can't even, these shadows aren't even crumbling. It's just very, very different. I mean, when shadows crumble, sometimes they blend super well, so it doesn't matter. But like, this palette still looks decent. It's not like a mess or anything. I'm quite shocked. Okay, so I found another shimmer I like, so I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. Alright, I'm doing that little swoopity boopity thing here. This is just a naked, Urban Decay Naked brush, came with one of the Naked palettes. And then I'm going to go ahead and dip into Deep Cherry. No, Cherry, it's not Deep Cherry. Sweet Plum, Optimism, and Cherry to do my lower lash line. Those are the colors that I used on top of my eye. I'm going to be using them on the bottom now. I really do like these types of colors on me, the cool tones. I'm a neutral to cool undertone, and I really do like plums and cherries and berries and all of that. So I'm super happy to have gotten this palette, and I really can't wait for next month now. I ordered this April 1st, and they actually gave me my April box. I was kind of thinking like Ipsy and Boxycharm, they would have given me the previous month, you know, because that's what I would have expected from them, but they didn't. They gave me April's. Super, super happy about that. So let's go ahead and lay down this color, and I've mixed the shadows together, and then I'm going to go in with a blending brush and blend it out. Alright, gonna dip into Tress Loose Beauty, Becky G's brand, and this is like her bronzy kind of, I don't know the name of this color, but it's the bronzy one, and it's super pretty, and I figured, you know what, so used to doing black, let's go ahead and do this shade today, and we'll see if I'll stay away from black for a while. Doubt it, but it's always a possibility. It is blending time. Alright, so this is a Jaclyn Hill times Morphe brush with nothing on it. It's a blending brush. I'm just going underneath, as you can see, and basically cleaning that up and smoking that out so there's not a harsh edge or a harsh line there. This is where you really want to take your time. And you do want to pay attention to the little details because that's what's going to make your look stand out. If you didn't finish a look, or if you wound up forgetting to do something, you know you're going to notice it when you're out and about. You're going to be like, oh, I forgot to put on mascara. Oh, I forgot to shade in my brow over here. You're totally going to notice it. So make sure you pay attention to that so your look is on point. Now we're going to get into the highlights. I like to use an illuminator first because that's where it helps you hold in moisture, and I have mature skin. So I'm going to use this highlighter as a brow bone highlight. Check out the color, and I'm liking it. Hopefully you get to see, yeah, here we go. You should be able to see. It's very, very pretty. Alright, so I'm going to grab my Hin Dash liquid liner in black, and I'm going to do a little bit of a wing because, I don't know, it just wouldn't be a Karen look without one, I guess. Technique is everything when doing a wing, so make sure to take your time. I'm not going to pull it all the way into the inner corner because then it's going to make my eye look smaller, and that's not what I want. Alright, so I'm just thickening up the line just a little bit, and then we're going to go in with some mascara and the lashes that came inside this box. Wow, okay, so I've got a few things left to apply. I always like to use an illuminator like the Milk Makeup before I put on like a powder highlighter because it just keeps the skin nice, soft, moisturized, and moist, and it doesn't look like, because when you put on too much powder, you know what happens, right? You get cakey, and we don't want that. So I have the highlighter left to try. Alright, so here we go with the highlighter. We're just going to dab that in. Oh, and let me see if I can get a close-up of this. Okay. And the lip gloss, and I did use a ColourPop lip liner. Here's the lip gloss. I'm so excited. Obviously, I'm wearing those lashes. Oh my god, it smells like chocolate. I am very impressed. Hear my puppy chewing on a box, just letting you know. Oh my gosh. All right, so the palette here, it blended like a dream. The pigmentation is there. I'm beyond happy about it. The lashes I had to cut, but boy, are they some lashes, huh? The highlighter. Stop that. We started off with the liquid shadow. Stop. The only thing we didn't use is this brush. And that would have been perfect for highlight or blush. And I used the Ofra blush today. But I have to tell you, I really am looking forward to Lurella Cosmetics coming. This is the April box, so I'll have to wait till May, but I'm super happy. If you guys have any questions at all, put them down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am super impressed, super happy, definitely recommend it. I don't know if they have any referral links or anything like that, but I will put a lot of information in the description box. And if you've got any questions, put them down in the comments and I'll do my very best to answer them. And thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys. I'll see you real soon in another video.